O, tawid ka pa dun sa prutas. Tawid ka pa dyan. Hindi, basta to. Ay. Di ba 7-Eleven? Tumawid ka dyan. Makikita mo yung salamin dyan na may salamin dyan. Basta diretso ka lang dyan. Hindi ko alam kung pang-4 o pang-5. Makikita mo siya dyan. Wala siyang nakalagay na dental. Pero may nakalagay lang siya na may salamin. Salamin siya. Basta diretsuhin mo yan. Dumiretso ka dyan. Makikita mo lang dyan. May salamin.
Yung kuko, diretsuhin ko lang yung kuko o tatawid ako dito papuntas dito sa
ayan, diretsuhin mo yan. Diretsuhin mo yung anong yan. Yung pedestrian na yan. Nandiyan na yan. Di ba yan yung prutas? Sarap niyan? Prutas yan? O, diretsuhin mo yan. Diretsuhin mo yan. Ba't kasi wala kang
I have some earrings here, Jeff, from my girlfriend who died.
Ano yun? Mag-ano ka muna, mag-ano ka muna, translate. Alam mo naman ba sabihin?
We split up the jewelry, but
alam mo naman sabihin, di huwag ka na mag-ano.
I'm supposed to have 2 pairs of earrings here.
Ano siguro
and they're gone to
pangatlo,
singles.
pangatlo or pang-apat,
Don't know
di ko na
why.
alam dyan. Basta, hoy, teka lang, ang palatandaan doon, sumilip pa doon sa salamin, may parang narang upuan na kahoy. Yun.
These are supposed to be a pair.
My friend, don't have Wi-Fi outside. That's why asking me where's the dental clinic. And I said, oh, you go straight. My neighbor before. Oh, 23. Hala, 23 pa rin still.
23.
I see 10. That's why he's...
Oh.
You doing live, Steve?
Yes, I'll do live stream for you. Oh, here's my...
I will off now. You start your live.
Here, I have a pair of earrings.
Oh, it's a gold?
Yeah. It's from my girlfriend who passed. This is hers. She passed, and I get her jewelry.
Oh, why you don't give to your girlfriend now? Margie, it's a cross. It's a souvenir. Is that souvenir?
Yeah, that's a souvenir of my girlfriend who passed. You don't give the same. Here, I'll give her this.
Maybe you keep it. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's too big. Stone.
That's my class ring.
For the college ring? Is that college ring?
No, for high school. High school.
High school. Nice stone. Is that your birthday? Zodiac sign stone? Huh?
Ruby. So ruby.
Ruby. I'm a green. I don't know what is green. I think emerald. I think it's emerald green.
My gemstone is a.
My pink. Stone is green.
Mine's pink. Everything pink.
And I have a fish earrings. That one, the other one is lost on Thailand. So we have new again. The one is lost again. I don't know.
That's just a piece of wire. That's not a fish.
Fish earring.
That's just a piece of wire.
The other one I lost on Thailand is a new.
Oh my god.
And we have another new again. Lost it again. And we have a new again. We have silver and gold. I don't use this. Maybe we can fold it again.
I had my ear pierced before. Oh.
I don't know. I need to check where I put. Why it was. So I need to sign up, guys, because Steve doing live streaming. Bye bye.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a live stream. Bye.
Okay, bye. Go to the pin. Steve doing live streaming. So bye bye, co-host. Bye bye. Thank you so much, everyone, for staying my live. Creativity ba? Thank you so much. Bye. Sign up. I happy. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone, guys. 19 people. Hello.